Hello everyone, your Ms. Wang is here again. Follow Ms. Wang today and see what good things Ms. Wang has brought today. There is nothing that Ms. Wang can't do except what you can't think of. Today Ms. Wang brings you a dual-channel digital variable frequency vibratory feeder controller. This SDVC33 belongs to dual-channel digital variable frequency vibratory feeder controller series. This SDVC22 belongs to variable voltage digital controller series. Some factories need 2 vibrators to drive 2 vibratory feeder bowls. This not only increases the cost, but also takes up space. Ms. Wang is anxious when she sees it. So, Ms. Wang brought you 2 dual-channel digital variable frequency vibratory feeder controllers, which not only saves costs, but also saves space. Our SDVC22 has a built-in digital voltage stabilization function, which can eliminate the feeding speed changes caused by power supply voltage fluctuations, and supports 3 sensors at the same time to control signal input. Among them, our SDVC33 has an output frequency range of 5 Hz to 999.9 Hz, with an accuracy of 0.1 Hz, and has comprehensive protection functions. These 2 controllers are economical and practical. Follow Ms. Wang. Ms. Wang will not only help you save money, but also save you worry.